Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this one, you saw me coming in to this place, you saw me leaving, but you haven't saw what happened during that period I was there. So while I was doing other bits, I managed to record this bit. It's not long video, it's more shorter video. That is the last piece coming out. So I managed to record them, all of them picking the table from the truck all the way to the entry of the cathedral. There will be a video coming out after this, with eyes in the sky, my eyes in the air. That will come out. That will be with more stuff on it. We will see taking out the bottom bit and another top bit as well. You'll see all the way to the cathedral. So stay tuned. The one comes out, and stay tuned and keep watching on this one. There was a lot of people helping, so I didn't need to do anything, and I decided to recording. So I didn't want to be in the way of anyone while there was people meeting there, people from the cathedral trying to film it. So I didn't want to be in the way of them that were doing their jobs. So that's why you see me a bit far away from them. Keep tuned, carry on watching the video, and don't forget, go and watch the one me arriving here, and go and watch where we picked from. There is a video going into that cathedral and coming out, and then a video as well, me with eyes in above as well on the other cathedral. So keep tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment and a thumbs up, and I will see you on our next one, guys. Ciao for now.